We'll take one more example on linear systems. Uh, let's say the system is y of t is equal to e power x of t. So this is our system. So I need to check whether this system is linear or not. Okay, what's the first step? I need to get desired output of a linear system. How do we get desired output? So as per the linearity property, so transformation of x of t is equal to system output y of t. Transformation of x of t is equal to, what is the system output y of t? Y of t is e power x of t. Now I instead of x of, yeah, I will make it as x1 of t. Output is e power x1 of t, right? If I scale it a times x1 of t, so what is the output? E power a times x1 of t, right? So similarly, another scaled input b times x2 of t is equal to e power b times x2 of t, right? Now I combine these two, transformation of a times x1 of t plus b times x2 of t is equal to what? What is this? A times y1 of t. For scaled input I get scaled output. This is b times y2 of t. Again for scaled input I get scaled output. And as per the linearity property, this is nothing but a times y1 of t plus b times y2 of t, and this is equal to, what is a times y1 of t? E power a x1 of t plus b times y2 of t is e power b x2 of t. So this is the desired output of a linear system, okay, which is equation 1. Now we will get system output. So to get system output, so how do we get system output? And before we get the system output, we have to understand the system first. What is the system? Y of t is equal to e power x of t. I mean to say that for every input we apply to a system x of t, that input goes to the exponential e power that signal. Okay, if you give sine wave, e power sine wave. If you give cos wave, e power cos wave. If you give triangular wave, e power triangular wave. Okay, so whatever the signal we feed, it goes to exponential. What if I feed x1 of t as a signal? What is the system output? X1 of t goes to exponential, right? What if a times x1 of t? System output is e power a times x1 of t. Okay, similarly if I feed b times x2 of t, now this b times x2 of t is actually is in exponential. Okay, what if I combine a times x1 of t plus b times x2 of t? As a whole, this is one signal. What is the output? This whole signal goes to exponential, right? E power a times x1 of t plus b times x2 of t. Now this is equation 2, and this is actually system output, right? Now what was the desired output? Now the desired output was e power a x1 of t plus e power b x2 of t. And what is the system output? E power a x1 of t plus b x2 of t. Also the system is non-linear, right? So since equation 1 is not equal to equation 2, desired output is not equal to system output, it is a non-linear system. Linear system. I'll take few more examples in the next video.